Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about map and filter methods in JavaScript. So map method create a new array by applying a given function to each element of the original array. So let me create an example here. I will say let numbers, okay, and here I'm going to create an array. So I will say 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's say I want to create a new array where I will actually store all the value, but the value would be square of 2, square of 3 and rest of them also, right? We'll follow the same rule, square value. Okay, I will actually store square value in a new array. If I want to do this, I just need to say here map function. So how? Let me show you. I will say let another variable, let's say new array, okay, and here I'm going to say, or I can say here, let's say square value, okay, square value of numbers, let's say square value, let's say is equal to, I will say numbers dot map function or method, whatever you say. Here I'm going to say function, okay, unknown function, and here I'm going to pass a parameter x. Here I'll just say return x square, right? So square, I'll console log it. So I'll say console dot log. Here I'm going to say square value, and here you can see 4, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16 and 5 square 25, and it is actually creating a array also, right? So the array length is 4. So map will actually create a new array by applying a given function, okay, applying a given function to each element of the original array, I hope you understand. Now let's go for the filter method. So filter method will create a new array containing only elements that satisfying a specified condition. I mean, it doesn't change the original array. Okay, wait, let me give you an example. Here let's say I want to set numbers, some numbers, let's say I will say numbers number 2, let's say, or new numbers, let's say, okay, new numbers, new underscore numbers, and here I'm going to set some number. So let's say 25, 24, okay, 45, 56, 5, 4, 33, let's say. So I'll say that, okay, I need new value, okay, I'll say numbers dot filters, okay, number dot filter, and here I'm going to say new function, and here I'm going to say x as parameter, and then go here return me when x value is greater than 10. So it's a condition, right? And here I'm saying that, okay, I need a new array where I will actually keep all the value will be greater than 10. So filter will actually create a new array and it will actually return according to a certain condition, okay. So let's now console it to see what happened. Here I'm going to say new value. All right, here you can see, so I have to change here, right? So I have to say here new numbers, let's say I'll say new numbers, and here you can see it's showing me an array which will actually containing the value is greater than 10. Here you can see every single value is greater than 10. It's actually not changing the original array, but it will actually create a new array, and it will create a new array with certain condition, okay. Here you can see the value should be greater than 10, and here you can see it remove 5 and 4 from this list, and it create a new array. And if I show you the original array, let me show you console dot log the new numbers, right? New numbers. Here we will find everything, it will not remove anything, okay. But when I say that filter, it will actually create a new array by itself, and it will actually add the value with using certain condition, right? Okay, I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.